3 things I would change about your website looking at 2019films.com. This website is for a wedding videographer. The first thing that you see when you land on the page is Authentic Wedding Films. Tells us exactly what we're getting when we land here, and I like that the location is right up front. What I would change though is switching some of this language because we're saying us, we, I, and not focusing on the client. When someone lands on our page, we need to make sure that they understand we understand them. By putting that we and I language first, we're kind of pulling away the attention that should be on the person landing on your page. Tip number 2, on your about page, while your about page is about you, it should also be about how you help the person that is landing there. In this instance, the business owner is talking about themselves first, and I would shift that to talk about how you serve the person, how you help them, and how that's different than other wedding videographers. Then you get into this more personal details a little bit later down the page. Tip number 3, as a videographer, I want you to have video on every single page, on the investment page, on the blog page, everywhere. I love on your homepage that you've got this video to start, but I would sprinkle more video throughout, more movement for people to get the idea of what it is that you do. I need you to show me that you value the importance of videography as a service, as a medium. Why do I need video and photography on my wedding day? So that's 3 things that I would do to change 2019 Films website. If you're ready for a new website that connects and converts and sells your services for you, check out Brand Basecamp, my signature program where I help you through the full DIY process from figuring out your brand strategy, your site design, and showing up.